Moving on, the Congress has repeatedly targeted Prime Minister over his humble background, and every time they do it, the taunt has almost always backfired for them electorally. That's what the BJP alleges. However, the Congress doesn't seem to have learned its lessons. This time, it's Congress leader Ragini Naik who has put out this post on social media platform X, an AI-generated video of the Prime Minister carrying a kettle of chai, once again taunting the Prime Minister with the chai wala daunt.
आय चाहिए, चाय बोलो चाहिए, आय चाहिए, चाय बोलो चाहिए, आय चाहिए, चाय बोलो चाहिए, आय चाहिए, चाय.
So, of course, the BJP has hit out at Congress over the derogatory post, calling this a display of Namdar. Congress that's mocking the Kamdar Prime Minister. BJP says, after all, Congress revels in abusing the Prime Minister.
2014 के चुनाव से ठीक पहले मनीशंकर अय्यर जी ने जो कहा था कांग्रेस के अधिवेशन के समय कि ये मोदी क्या चीज है, मैं अपने कांग्रेस के अधिवेशन के बाहर एक छोटा सा टेंट देता हूं. मोदी जी आए, उन्होंने जी नहीं कहा था, मोदी आए और यहां पर आकर चाय बेचे. मुझे लगता है एक नया मनीशंकर अय्यर कांग्रेस में उभर कर आया है. मनीशंकर अय्यर जब जब अवतार लेते हैं तब तब कांग्रेस का क्या होता है उसे कहने की आवश्यकता नहीं है.
Now another spokesperson and leader of Congress, Ragini Naik, has made a deep fake AI-generated video mocking Prime Minister because he was a tea seller in his young age. Yes, he did sell tea. He never sold the country. This is an insult of the people's mandate and people's wisdom. It is an insult of his OBC and his Garib Parivar status. It is an insult that Congress party keeps hurling at him 150 times over. Gangu Teli, Neech, Chai Bech, Hitler ki maut marega, kabr khodegi. Even his mother is not spared. This is the Congress party's true pehchan. Garibon ka apman, chai walon ka apman, Pradhanmantri pad ka अपमान, संविधान का अपमान, सेना का अपमान. Because Congress party only and only feels that one family should have the right to rule.
Congress must learn from their own mistakes. Earlier, their Supremo Sonia Gandhi had done the same thing, and they faced quite resistance from people. People have given them the reply, and again people are telling them what they prefer. Chai wala is better than the chores. I can say this again and again because in their heritage they have only been doing dacoity, not only chori, मैं तो कहूँगी dacoity करते आए हैं. So they should learn that a humble chai wala can be a prime minister and do the seva for the people of India.
So there have been a series of such derogatory comments against the Prime Minister. You'd remember that this isn't the first time that the Congress has targeted Prime Minister with such statements which have often crossed the line in political discourse. Let's remind you of some instances. Let's tell you about some of the statements, derogatory, objectionable ones made. Here in 2022 November, the chief of the Congress, Mallikarjun Kharge, said Modi like a Ravan with 100 heads. He went on to say he keeps lying. He is jhooton ka sardar. So that was Mallikarjun Kharge. Then you had Mr. Madhusudan Mistry, again Congress leader in November 2022, who said, we'll show Prime Minister Modi his auqat. He didn't just stop at that. More objectionable comments coming in. Sheikh Hussain, Congress Neta, June 2022, Modi kutte ki maut marega. So the Congress Netas, one after the other, have been making such controversial, derogatory, insulting remarks against the Prime Minister. It's not just the Congress, in fact. There you had the RJD leader. Congress MP Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said, once again taking a jibe at the Prime Minister. Rahul Gandhi said, Chaukidar, chores. These are all the comments that have come in from not just the Congress but the opposition as well. So there are parties in the opposition that have often taken such jibes, but then during elections they have backfired. Priyanka Gandhi herself said arrogance was the end of Duryodhan while taking a jibe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Manishankar Aiyar in 2017 said PM Modi is a neech aadmi. A series of such comments made by the Congress. Sonia Gandhi in December 2007 said Modi is maut ka saudagar. So it's not just Congress leaders but the high command as well that has made such statements. Even now, the Congress manages to somehow defend this latest attack on the Prime Minister. And they ask, how is this a mockery of the Prime Minister if the PM himself calls himself a chai wala?
ये तो खुद स्वयं प्रधानमंत्री इस बात को गर्व से बोलते हैं कि मैं बचपन में रेलगाड़ी में चाय बेचता था, तो अगर उसको फिल्माया गया तो उसमें क्या बुराई है?
आपकी पार्टी से एक और लीडर हैं रागिनी नायक, उनका एक ट्वीट क्या जिसमें उन्होंने एक एआई वीडियो जनरेट किया हुआ है प्रधानमंत्री मोदी का, और उस पर आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया? और रेवंत रेड्डी ने
मैंने देखा नहीं और ना मैंने रेवंत जी का स्टेटमेंट सुना, तो जब मैं सुनूंगा और जब रागिनी जी का मैं ट्वीट देखूंगा तो उस पर टिप्पणी कर देंगे।